In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva file via Messenger. It's a simple process, but to make sure you get it right, I'm here to guide you through each step. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your Canva design. Once you have it ready, look towards the top right corner of your Canva interface, and you will spot the share button. This button is your gateway to sharing your amazing design with the world, or in this case, through Messenger. Go ahead and click on that share button. When you click share, you'll notice a drop down menu. By default, the privacy setting might be configured to only you can access your design. This setting keeps your design private. To change that, you need to click on it, which will reveal more options for you to choose from. This is where you want to select the anyone with the link option. By doing this, you allow others to view your masterpiece just by clicking the link you're about to share. Now that you've set the design to be viewable by anyone with the link, the next step is to actually get that link. You'll find a prompt that allows you to copy link. Clicking this button will copy the URL of your Canva design to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. With the link copied, the next step is as simple as it sounds. Paste it into Messenger. Open your Messenger app or web page, navigate to the conversation you'd like to share the design in, and simply paste the link you've copied. Press send, and just like that, your friend or colleague can click on the link and view your Canva design. This is a straightforward way to share your work without the need for uploading files or attachments. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more integrated way to share through Messenger, Canva offers another option. Within the share menu, you can click on See All to explore more sharing avenues. Scroll down until you find the Facebook Messenger option and click on it. This will guide you through the steps to send your design directly through Messenger, allowing for a more seamless share and view experience. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that having the Canva app can make these processes even smoother on mobile devices. If you haven't yet, consider downloading the Canva app by scanning the QR code available on the Canva website or app page. Remember, sharing your creative work should be as easy as the creative process itself. Now, with these steps, you can easily share your Canva designs through Messenger with your friends, colleagues, or clients. Happy sharing!